everybody! I'm here today to do an unboxing and first look at this Ecobee smart thermostat with voice control. In this video, we will be opening up this box and taking a look at what's inside. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, we're going to slide the cover off just like that, as you can see right over there. Okay, I'm going to place that just to the side. We're going to open up the box. Now, full disclosure, I did open the box briefly just to see the contents inside because I was considering installing this in my home. So you'll notice that it's been opened before. You know, you might notice some things are out of place. First look, I love the simplicity of what they've done here. As you can see, you have the Ecobee unit, which is very simple and straightforward, nice and small, a nice, beautiful interface, as you can see right there. We're going to flip it over. We're going to look at the back right over there. You can see the pins that connect it to the backing plate. Beautiful, beautiful design. I love what they've done with this right over here. Place that to the side. You also have your unit right here. I believe this is the room sensor. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure because I only took a brief look at it, but I believe that this is the room sensor. Now, what this does is it's going to tell you the temperature within a room. I believe it's also an occupancy sensor from what I remember reading, meaning it's going to tell you whether or not there's people in the room, and then it can adjust. You can make adjustments on your thermostat according to that, okay? Very simple. Now we're going to remove this piece right over here. What we have is, let's see here. We have, looks like a little manual of some sort, a little booklet of some sort. Very simple design. Yes, so we have the installation instructions in multiple languages, as you can see right there. You know the way I am, I'm a guy, so let's just throw these instructions, let's just throw them in the garbage. I'm kidding, I definitely need instructions to install this. You have your trim plate right over here, which can be used if you are replacing an older thermostat, that you have a larger hole in the wall, you don't have the paint to cover it. They give you this trim paint, they give you this, not this trim paint, they give you this trim piece that you can place behind it that will sort of allow you to install it, you know, over a pre-existing thermostat that was larger. You're obviously going to remove your old thermostat. You're not installing this over the thermostat, but you know, you're not going to have to repaint the room because you're missing a small section of paint. You can use this to cover up the old template, basically. In addition, we have the power extender kit. As you can see right over here, this is what you would use if you don't have a C wire, which is a common wire that is used to power the Ecobee. So the Ecobee and many smart thermostats use a common wire, a C wire, to power them, okay? It can realistically be any color. It's commonly a blue wire, but it doesn't always have to be a blue wire. But if you don't have it, you're going to use this power extender kit and connect this to you're going to connect it the way they show you to connect it. I don't want to go into full explanation mode in this video. They give you these mounting screws right here, and then they give you this backing plate right here, which is like sort of like the almost like the motherboard of it. Basically, this is where you connect your wires in. Very simple. So you pop that middle piece out, as you can see right over there. The wires go through here, as you can see right over there, and then you plug them into these sections over here on the according to where you took them off. The cool thing is it even has a built-in level on it, which is really, really cool. Very, very interesting. It has a built-in level. Cool. And then we also have this right here, which I don't know what this is. This might be... Okay, so this is actually for the occupancy sensor right here. It's a stand, so check this out. Look, you just like that. It's a stand for the occupancy sensor. Really cool, magnetic, really, really, really high tech. Overall, very cool design, simplistic design. I mean, if you have your common wire, if you have your C wire, and you don't have a huge area that was covered by an old thermostat, really all you'll need is the backing plate right here and the actual Ecobee. Really, like very simple design. And this is what it's going to look like when it's on your wall. Really simple design. But that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Oh, sorry, one more thing. It comes with these label wires. You're going to label the wires that came off of your old thermostat. But that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video unboxing and first look at this Ecobee smart thermostat with voice control. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.